Hi students, I was going to show you how to put your listening assessment away in your ePortfolio. So you're going to go to classwork and then you're going to scroll down. On the bottom left hand side, click on ePortfolios, and then you are going to click on your name. And then you're going to see that you have both your speaking assessment and your listening. So click on your listening and scroll through it. You can see the points you got. It was out of 14. And you can see that, scroll down to your name, and then you can see what your score was. So 3 was complete. And then scroll through just to see where you made mistakes. Okay, so if you had a mistake on the true or false, the answer will be at the bottom here. And then you're going to see that your answers are marked wrong with the X, but actually Julie will give you a point if it is correct. Okay, so up here it's called Listening Assessment Meeting a Friend, and we did this one up here on December, I can't tell what day it was. I think it was December 1st. Okay, so then you're going to go back after you've written that down and you're going to slide it into listening, move, and then you're going to double check that it ended up there. Yep, there it is. It's listening 1. Click on your name, go to inventory sheets, double click on the picture, click on listening, click on the white part, use the arrow to go down. Okay, and the date was December 1st. Let me just check here. Yeah, it was December 1st. And the task was meeting a friend. It was a formal assessment. And now I cannot remember what the student got. See? I cannot remember what the student got for the score. We'll have to go back and check. So the score was 13 out of 14, \14, the same key as the question mark, and successful. And now I'm going to close it. Oops, and I can go back to their ePortfolio, click on their name, and I get to the front page. And then it will be time for the listening.